sitting in front of this camera, recording, putting it on a computer, editing is going to be the death of me. I promise it will. It's gonna be death by camera. That's what's gonna be. Anywho, hello YouTube. I am Jerome. I know nothing. You know this at this point because you've been following me, right? Right. So, what are we here to do today? Print some shirts. This is a job for a buddy of mine. He has a custom leather goods business. He makes wallets, watches, belts, anything in leather that you want, you name it, he can make it if it's an accessory. Met him years ago through the sneaker world. He used to be a manager at a shoe store, and everything is coming full circle in regards to this particular print job because the artwork itself is based on the Nike ACG line. So this should be fun. It's a one color job, and he's using a comfort color shirt. It's like a glacier blue, but it's a very good quality, very nice. It doesn't feel thin. Oh yeah, this is nice. I've yet to either use any of these for my own personal uses or print on them. So let's see how this goes. Maybe I could put the shirts here. You know, they sometimes say common sense ain't common. Smart thing would just be to do that, right? Going to bed. Finished all the fronts. Didn't record all of that because you've seen me do a one color job before, but here we go. That is the front of the shirt. I'll do the back tomorrow. It's the same design, just four times bigger than this. Till tomorrow. Before we got to the backs, needed to clean the pallets because they had lint from doing the fronts. Got them set up. We're about to go ahead and do the backs, and from there I'll show you the full job front and back. Let me go ahead and get set up. First shirt. Nice, clean pass through. That's all I'm looking for. I know what's gonna happen. Because things can never just go perfect. Got a pinhole that I didn't have when I ran these tests. Take these off. These are filthy. I don't know if you can see all the dust collected in there, but it's dusty down here. I have no ventilation. Eventually I'm gonna have to add something here. I've had an issue with my eye where it feels like there's hair in my eye, but it's just like little bubbles, but it's dust and light collection, and I've had to put an eye drop, but not that you care about that. It's filthy down here. So this wraps up. Easy job. One color front, one color back, one design. It's probably my most fun project solely because of the person that I was printing for. What I'm gonna do is in the description, I'm gonna leave a link to their products. Again, it's custom wallets, watches, all handmade. I'm also gonna link his YouTube page that he just recently started. Doesn't have a lot of videos, but I definitely suggest you guys all follow because you see him do everything by hand. Got nothing else. Oh, I lied. While I was recording, the mailman came with something. I didn't order this. I don't know what's in here, but it's from Ryonet. Ryonet is the company that I have bought all my equipment from. Looked in the mail, or looked on my, I looked on my alarm system and seen that I had a package. So let me open this and see what this is. Where's my box cutter? Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got something on a film positive here. Sounds like they've sent me a case of some emulsion. Just recently watched a review from Golden Press. So, I guess I'm gonna test this out soon. Thank you, Ryonet. I guess that's a timely delivery because I just purchased this to help me dial in my exposure times. I've been having struggles trying to expose for neck tags. No matter what mesh I set it at, I'm screwing them up royally. Mainly, it's because I don't know the exact timing. This is gonna help with this. So I'm gonna watch a couple of videos and read some stuff on using this. It shows you it's a 21 step. If you get to a certain step, you've overexposed, got to another step, you've underexposed, and then it shows you how to calculate to get perfect exposure. I'll probably do a video on that just because I'm struggling and I think it'll be fun to watch me struggle. But until next time, like, share, comment, all of that fun stuff you're supposed to do. Adios.